Guys, in this video, I will talk about the need of bubble chart, and then we will understand how to create bubble chart in Tableau. So let's start. This data source I have taken it from a Tableau server. This data source is about the sales data of one of the superstore chain in US. So let's understand the need of bubble chart. So if management asks you what the sales and profit data say state wise, then you have an option is to create it in a tabular form, like this is sales data and this is the profit data. So here, as we can see that we have different columns for sales, profit and state. Now here the limitation is that we have different states, like number of states, and it is very difficult to understand what is the volume of sales in different states, because due to the more number of states. So here the bubble chart helps us to visualize the sales volume of different states. So now next we will discuss about how to create a bubble chart in Tableau. So first I will clear this data. Now let's see how to create bubble chart. So first you have to go to this show me. So either you can click on show me or you can press control 1. It will show number of list of different charts available in Tableau. So this is this in right bottom corner you can see this packed bubble. So presently it is inactive because we have not selected any dimension on or measure. But the basic requirement to create this bubble chart is mentioned here. You should have one minimum dimension and one measure. So these are the dimension parameter and these are the measure parameters. So as per the condition, we will select one dimension and one measure. So now you can see this chart is active. You have to just click on this data. Automatically, it will create this bubble chart. Now let's understand what it shows. So this name is mentioned is the state which we have selected, and the size of bubble is it shows that the volume of the sales in that particular state, means bigger the size of bubble, higher the sales volume. So this is how we can create it, how we can create one bubble chart with one dimension and one measure. Now we can add one more angle in this bubble chart, like we can add profit as a second measure and we can add as a color. So now the same bubble chart, now we have added the profit. So this color is showing basically the blue color is the highest profit and orange is the lowest profit. So from this single bubble chart we can visualize that like this New York and California is contributing more sales with highest profit, and these are some of the states like Texas. Or this state is contributing a good amount of sales, but they are not giving good profit. So these are the states where we need to focus more in terms of profitability. So here we can add some number parameters, like what is the contribution of California in overall sales. So like we can create this quick table calculation as percent of total, and we can put it as a label. So now it shows that 20.28% contribution sales contribution is given by California. The same way we can create profit also. What is the percentage of profitability is contributing by California. So here it is showing that 26.32% contribution is given by California in overall profitability. So this is how we can create bubble chart with one dimension and two measures, that is sales and profit. Now one more option was there, that was we can add one more dimension and we will select only one measure. So what I will do, I will remove this profit uh, from this bubble chart and I will add one more dimension in this bubble chart. So as of now, only one dimension is there, that is state, and one measure is there, that is sales. So now I will add one dimension. So now I will add this dimension, that is the region. So what it shows that there are four different regions, and region wise which are the major states which contributes higher in sales. So like in west region, California and Washington contributes more. In east, New York is contributing more. So like that you can add dimension and you can analyze further as per your requirement. So this is how we can utilize Tableau to create bubble chart which indicates uh, 3D view, like you can have bubble size for one measure, color for one measure, and you will have a dimension for to identify the that parameter. Thank you.